Hey signers, welcome back. Have you ever tried describing someone in sign language and you realize that you don't know the right signs? Well, don't worry, because today we're learning 30 personality signs in NSL that will help you sign smarter, smoother, and way more expressive. By the end of this video, you also know how to use some of these signs in sentences. This video will be divided into 3 sections to get more clarity. Ready? Let's sign. Personality. To sign personality, have your P alphabets on your dominant hand, bringing it close to your left side of your chest, and you're going to take it in a circular motion. So personality. 1. Kind. Have both your dominant hand and your non-dominant hand moving forward like this over each other. Kind. Friendly. Have both your dominant hand and your non-dominant hand wriggling close to your mouth, upwards your cheeks. So friendly. And when signing some of these words, you have to show the facial expression. If you're friendly, you have to give it a smile to show that you are really friendly. So friendly. Funny. Have both your index finger and your middle finger brushing over your nose like this. Funny. And when something is funny, you have to smile or laugh. So funny. Smart, intelligent. Have your middle finger touching your forehead and you're taking it out like this. Smart, intelligent. And this is also similar to brilliant, but brilliant is signed differently. Brilliant is like this. Brilliant. Having your index finger touching your forehead and you're bringing it out. So brilliant. But intelligent, smart. Considerate. Considerate means thinking of others. So you think of others. Considerate. Loyal. To sign loyal, have your L alphabet on your dominant hand again, and you're curving it back to your shoulders like this. Loyal. Helpful is the sign help, but now you're being helpful, you're helping people. So helpful. Responsible. To sign responsible, have both your dominant hand signing the R letter and your non-dominant hand as well signing the R letter, and one is before the other. Your dominant hand is before the other, and you're bringing it to rest on your shoulder, just like someone taking responsibility of something. So responsible. Generous. You're giving out, you're sharing something. Humble. Have your non-dominant hand placed like a table and your dominant hand is doing this. Humble. Brave. Have both hands doing the work and your shoulders as well, and your facial expression has to show that you are really brave, you're courageous. So brave. hardworking, hard work. Have your non-dominant hand folded like this and is placed like a table, and your dominant hand is doing the work like it's eating it. So hard work, hardworking. Serious, serious. Have your index finger placed on your chin and you're twisting it in a bit like this. Serious, serious. Calm, calm. Have both hands coming down like this, and your facial expression has to show that you're calm, like you're at ease. So calm, calm. Truth, honest, honesty. Truth, honest, honesty. Have your non-dominant hand placed like this, and your dominant hand is brushing through it, having both your index and your middle finger together, brushing through your non-dominant hand. Truth, honest, honesty. Creative, creative. Imagination, imaginative. Have your four fingers out on both hands and your thumb is folded, and you're bringing it close to your forehead, and you're doing this in circular motion, meaning you're thinking outside the box. Shy, shy. Have your dominant hand folded like this on your cheek, and your facial expression is showing it, and your body as well is showing it. So respect, respect. Have your R alphabet sign on your dominant hand and on your non-dominant hand as well. So the first one, which is your dominant hand, is closer to your forehead, and the second is a bit far from it, and you're doing it like this towards the person you're talking to show that you're being respectful. So respect. To sign jealous, have your pinky finger close to your mouth, and you're touching it and you're taking it out. So curious, curious. Have both hands folded like this, and you're bringing it close to your forehead. This can also mean when someone is strong-headed, when someone is extremely stubborn, so arrogant, talkative. Both hands are showing that the person is yapping, so just be like this. Talkative. Stubborn, stubborn. Have your dominant hand placed on your forehead. Your thumb is touching the side of your forehead, and the remaining fingers are closing up. So stubborn, stubborn. Grouchy. Have your dominant hand again, as if you're taking something out, or you're just going to do it like this. Do it close to your face, and grouchy, grouchy. Lazy, lazy. Have your L alphabet again, placing it on your shoulders, and when you're saying lazy, your facial expression has to show that. Nosy, nosy. Have your non-dominant hand folded like this, and your dominant hand is touching your nose and you're putting it inside. Nosy, nosy. Think of someone who's not minding their business. So nosy. To sign rude, have your non-dominant hand placed like a table again, and your middle finger is brushing through it. Rude, rude. mean, have your dominant hand close to your face as if you're taking something out, and once you bring it down, you're going to close it. So like this. Likewise, this as well. This is going to be opened, and once this comes down, it's going to get closed. So mean. Now let's put some of these signs into sentences. My friend is funny and friendly. Thank you for signing with me, and if you enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share for more NSL lessons. Until next time, keep learning how to sign. Bye.